What's the meaning of aftertaste? Aftertaste. 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 Aftertaste refers to the lingering taste or sensation that remains in the mouth after consuming food or drink. It is the flavors, aromas, and tactile sensations that continue to be experienced after swallowing or finishing a dish. The aftertaste can be pleasant, such as the sweetness of chocolate or the smokiness of grilled meat, or unpleasant, such as the bitterness of certain medications. It can also provide clues about the quality and complexity of a particular food or beverage. Overall, the aftertaste is an important aspect of sensory perception and adds to the overall enjoyment or dissatisfaction of a meal.